This is a statue stand. This is a statue. This is a elevation of statue stand is equal to 45 degrees. Elevation of statue top is equal to 60 degrees. Given the question, statue stand height is equal to 2 meters. Find the statue height. Statue height is equal to statue height h1 h2. Statue height is equal to x. This is a statue stand from the observer. Length is equal to y. This one A, B, C, D. First triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. 45 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is equal to how much is there? AB. AB by adjacent is equal to BC. AB is equal to, given the question, AB length is equal to 2 meters are given, that one. 2 meters by BC length is equal to y. Tan 45 is equal to 2 meters by y. Tan 45 is equal to 1. 2 meters by y. Y is equal to how much is there? 2 meters. Y is go to this side. 1 into y is equal to y. Y is equal to 2 meters. This is the first equation. Next to triangle BDC. Find out the only statue height. This is the statue height. First, given that one, triangle BDC, tan 60. Elevation of tan 60 is equal to, this observer looking at the top of the statue. This is equal to, elevation is equal to 60 degrees. Tan 60 is equal to BD by BC. BD by BC. BD is equal to how much is there? BA plus AD. B is equal to 2 meters. AD is equal to x plus y. BD is equal to BA plus AD by BC. BA is equal to how much is there? 2 meters plus statue height is equal to h2 is equal to x by BC is equal to y. But tan 60 is equal to 2m plus x by y is equal to, given that one, 2 meters. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root 3 is equal to 2m by x by 2m. 2m into this one. 2 root 3 is equal to 2 root 3m is equal to 2m plus x. X is equal to 2 root 3m plus 2 minus 2m. This one is going to this minus. X is equal to 2 is common. Root 3 minus 1 into m. X is equal to 2 into root 3 is equal to 1.732 minus 1. X is equal to 2 into 1.732 minus 1 is equal to 0.732. 0.732. X is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14. 14 is equal to how many digits are 3 digits after point? Take the point. X is equal to 1.464 meters. This is the height of the statue. Statue height is equal to height of statue is equal to 1.46 meters. 1.46 meters.